In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products using a CSV file to your Shopify store, a straightforward process that will help streamline your product management. So, let's dive in and get started. First, let's make our way to your Shopify store homepage, where all operations begin. To do this, simply log into your Shopify account using your preferred browser. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Shopify admin dashboard. This dashboard is your starting point for managing everything related to your store, from orders to customers and of course products. Now that you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will ensure you're comfortable navigating through the steps we'll cover. You should see a sidebar menu, which is your main navigational tool within Shopify. Look for the Products button on this sidebar. It's typically located towards the top of the menu, making it relatively easy to spot. Clicking on this will take you to the Products page. Once you're on the Products page, you'll notice a variety of options and a list of all product entries currently in your Shopify store. However, to add new products using a CSV file, direct your attention to the upper right hand corner of this page. You're looking for the Import button. Go ahead and click on Import. This is the button that will allow us to bring in data from an external CSV file, which is an excellent way to manage multiple products efficiently. Now that you've clicked the Import button, a pop-up window or panel will appear. This is the interface that allows you to upload your CSV file. You'll see an option labeled Add File. Clicking here will open a File Explorer window on your computer. Navigate to the location on your computer where your CSV file is stored. Perhaps you've exported this file from another platform, or maybe it's something you've put together using a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Either way, find the correct CSV file that contains the product information you wish to upload, select it, and click Open. It's important to ensure that your CSV file is correctly formatted before uploading. Shopify has specific guidelines on how product information should be organized within your file. This includes having column headers like title, description, pricing, and inventory. If you're not sure your CSV file is formatted correctly, it's a good idea to reference Shopify's CSV file format guide or download a sample CSV file from Shopify to use as a template. Once you've added your file, Shopify will begin processing it. Keep an eye out for any prompts or confirmations that may appear as your CSV file is being uploaded. This process typically only takes a few moments but can vary depending on the size of your file and the number of products you're uploading. After the file upload is completed, Shopify will begin importing the data. During this time, it's common to see a loading indicator or status update, letting you know that the system is working to bring in your information. It's a good idea to remain on this page until the import process is finished, ensuring that there are no hiccups along the way. Once the import is successful, you'll receive a completion message on the same page. This message will let you know how many products were successfully added to your store and will alert you to any issues encountered during the import process, such as misformatted data or missing fields in your CSV file. If there are any errors, review them carefully. They often provide specific details about which row or entry in your CSV file has the problem, allowing you to quickly make corrections. With your products successfully added, you can now visit your product list within Shopify to see them live. It's always a good practice to double check a few entries to ensure that the information displayed matches what you intended. Check important details like product names, prices, descriptions, and inventory levels. And there you have it. By using a CSV file, you streamlined what could be a very tedious process if done manually. This approach is especially useful for large inventories or when migrating from another e-commerce platform. As you become more accustomed to this process, you'll find that it saves time and minimizes human error, both of which are crucial for running an efficient online store. Remember, always keep a backup of your CSV file before embarking on this process, just in case any adjustments or future uploads are necessary. Your growing proficiency in handling Shopify's CSV upload capability will surely be a boon for your business. Thank you for joining today's walkthrough on adding products to Shopify via CSV files. We hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out through the community forums or consult Shopify's detailed help center. Until next time, happy selling.